Let's play the classic two-player game, Speed. Hi, I'm Chris and welcome to Playing Games. Please subscribe, comment, and like. Let's see how fast you can do all three. Speed is a physical racing card game and the object of Speed is to be the first player out of their cards. Setup. The game requires a standard 52 card deck. Shuffle the cards and deal out 2 piles of 5 face-down cards into the side piles, left and right of the center of the table. Then deal 2 face-down cards side by side in the middle of the table. These will be the play piles. Each player is then dealt 5 cards for their hand. Additionally, each player receives a pile of 15 cards placed face down to their right, known as their draw pile. Again, the object of the game is to be the first player to get through all 20 of your cards from your in-hand and draw pile. Gameplay. Together, count down from 3 and each player flips over one of the play pile cards. The game has begun. There are no turns. Just start playing. Both players play simultaneously, working to discard cards from their hand into the center piles. A card can be played if it is 1 rank higher or 1 rank lower than the top card currently showing in the center piles. Suits or colors do not matter. For instance, if the center card is a 5, players can play either a 4 or a 6 on it. If it's a jack, you can play a 10 or a queen. The ace is special as it's a bridge card, meaning it plays as the highest and lowest card. So if an ace is down, you could play either a king or a 2 on it. As you play cards out of your hand, you can re-up your hand with cards from your personal draw pile, but you can't hold more than 5 cards in your hand at any one time. If a player's draw pile is exhausted, they continue to play with the remaining cards in their hand. If one player is stuck, they have to watch their opponents kick their butt until they can play again. If neither player can play to the middle, we put our hands over the side piles and count down from 3. 3, 2, 1, and continue to play. If neither player can make a move and all side pile cards are exhausted, shuffle the cards from the center piles and deal new cards to the side piles. The game ends when one player has successfully played out all of their cards, both from their hand and their draw pile. After they play out their last card, they slam the table and say "Speed," or whatever catchphrase they'd prefer to use. Congrats, you win. Reshuffle the cards and play again. Final thoughts. Speed and Spit are 2 of my favorite reflex card games, and they're perfect for family vacations. They're a great way to settle sibling rivalries, and marital ones too. The replay value is very high, and if you want to extend the gameplay, shuffle 2 decks together and kick this game up to 88. Please like, comment, and share to help this channel grow. Also help support this channel with a digital donation. You are great. See you next time on Playing Games.